Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how basically to set up an event for visitors and exhibitors at VEvents platform. So you will see how it can be really straightforward for your attendees, and let's do that just right now. So everything starts from Events tab. So we need to go to Events tab and create an event. So let's say it's going to be test event. We can add some short description of the event, some short description. Here might be some long description of the event. Let's add something. So I choose from the template. You can also pick up a time zone and events date and start time. Let's say that it's going to be 10 a.m. of 22nd of October. So you can also add some program of the event and assistant section, so it will be shown at the event page. If you keep it empty, it will not be shown at the event page. Registration open till, so you can just close the registration and do not allow any visitors to be automatically registered at the platform at some particular time. If you don't want to cut off some registration, just state here the same time as event start time. So for us, it's 22nd of October, 10 a.m., and that's it. Minimum number of appointments for visitors. So from some requirements from our organizers who work with us, there might be a situation when you, for example, don't want that people pick up less appointments per event that you want they do. So in this way, you can say, for example, okay, I don't want to allow visitors to submit the appointments if they pick it up less than 3 appointments. So you just state it here. It can be any value. So, but if you don't want and allow even 1 appointment, just state it here 0, and that's it. You can also add some background and image for your event page, and I will show you how it looks like in the future. So let's for now save, and here we go. You can see that we just created this event, and we are right now again in the events tab. What we have to do next is, as we are organizers, we should know our exhibitors. So let's add some exhibitors. So we go to attendees, we click add attendee, and let's give a name to our future exhibitor. Let's say it's going to be some test exhibitor, and we need to also add an email of this exhibitor, because exhibitor in this way will receive credentials to the platform in the email, and also we will send email reminders about upcoming event. So we send automatically 24 hours before event start time reminder and 1 hour before event start time reminder. So let's say this is my email. Business card, here might be some information about an exhibitor, and type, let's say to the platform that it's going to be exhibitor. We can also fill some about information, so it will be shown at the event page as well. And we can also add some pictures of the exhibitor, so they will be also shown. In case your exhibitor lost credentials, you can change them here, but I will not do so right now. And also, when you set up exhibitor, you always need to choose speaker. Just remember that. And you click save. And here you go. We can see that when I go to attendees, I see an event that we created in the events tab. And if I go to attendees, I will see the first exhibitor that we just created in advance. So what I have to do next is basically tell to the platform when this exhibitor is available from the time slot perspective, which time slot are available for visitors to book as an appointment. So to add this information, we again go to events, we go to rounds, and we need to create a new round. So click add round, and we can give a name to the round, one-on-one meeting. We can say when this round is going to be started. So it starts at 10 a.m. when the event basically starts, and let's say finishes in 10 minutes. Here, always choose meeting type, and just choose here from the list of all exhibitors that you created in advance, to which exhibitor this round is related to. So you can click save, and here you go. We just in the rounds section of our test event, and you can see with a with a yellow background rounds that you created for this exhibitor. Once some of the visitors will book this time slot of this exhibitor, background will be immediately changed to white. So in this way, from the interface, you can always in a fast way see all rounds which are free for booking from some visitors in the future. So let's add some other time slot for the same exhibitor so you will see the difference. Again, one-on-one meeting is going to be the name of this round. And let's say it starts at 10:15 and finishes in 10 minutes, and at 10:25 meeting. Again, same exhibitor, click save, and here you go. You can see here two rounds for the same exhibitor. This is some test exhibitor. If I go back to events right now, once we added at least one round for some particular user, you can see that you can just click on the event and you can basically go to event page. So let's open it in a separate tab. And here you go. This is an event page. It shows start time, name, short description, possibility to register for visitors, and countdown. Workshop overview, this is a description of the event. Here will be your picture if you upload it, and list of exhibitors that you already added. So you can see here is just default placeholder picture, but it will be replaced if you upload it. So what I can do as a visitor right now at this event, I can register. So I click register, give a name, give my email, and give some information other if you need so. I just fill it and click submit, and the platform tells me that registration, so we just sent registration request. So organizer right now has a control and he needs to either approve my application to participate in the event or decline. So how it works in the admin panel, once somebody did the section, just register it at your event, you can see this information in the appointments. So here you go. We can see one appointment, one application request from this email user with here's this profile to this event, state new, and you can decide either decline or approve. So in case you approve, let's approve. Our platform automatically generates credentials for this user, and they will be sent by email automatically from us. You can change email text and email subject of these emails from the email tab in the future or in advance, depends on your needs. So right now we just schedule it as a platform credentials to this user. So let's imagine that again, I'm a visitor and I want to book some appointments, and I already received an email. So what I need to do is just I need to sign in, use my email and the password. So let's enter password that I received from the email and click sign in, not safe. And here we go. We can see that update my appointment button is available right now. So if I click it, I will see again all information that I entered in advance, but here I also can see the list of exhibitors that organizer added in advance. So if you add more than one exhibitor, there will be a list of exhibitors, but what I can do is I can click here and I can see both time slots that we added in advance here in the admin panel for this exhibitor. So the difference in time zone that you see here is that because in the admin panel, when we created an event, we stated that it's going to be 10 a.m. for event start time and for the round by London time. But here I'm in another location, not in London, and my hours are 2 hours ahead. So that is why I'm seeing my local time. So I can choose one time to book and I can click submit. And we are saying your appointment list has been successfully updated. And if I go to schedule right now, here you go. You will see that information of my appointment popped up here. I can also change my appointment, and I can see that this is what I choose right now. But if I want to choose another one, I just choose another one and click submit. And if I go to schedule, you'll see that here you go, the time has been changed. And this is basically the time when I'm going to participate. So you as organizer needs to add more participants, more exhibitors basically, because usually visitors registers on their own. You just approve their appointments here, and then they are available to pick up a time slot. Also, you have possibility to register visitor from the admin panel, but if you do so, you will need also to assign these visitors on your own to some particular time slot, because this will not be available for them from the interface at the event page tab. If you want that your visitors choose a time, but they don't want to register and you want to help them to register, please just do the registration for your visitors as well from the event page. So in this way, you will register visitor, then you just go to applications and confirm this application. And after that, they will receive credentials. And after that, they will be able to pick up a time slot. So this is basically how it works. In case you have any questions, just reach us out and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.